Recoil, pull the trigger. I just wanted to show off a couple of mannish items. I'm not a big fan of the blue, but whatever, it's Recoil's colors. A couple of things that I wanted to promote was these with magnetic bit holders. These are wristbands, see? You can hold your lube right there while you're jacking off. Well, actually I do the reverse grip. So, but this is a tool holder. So it's meant to have a rubber bottom so that I told them to put magnets in here, like, because then it'll sit on a radiator, well, not a radiator, but a fuse block, or not a fuse block, but an engine block, like a valve cover or something like that, something made of steel. And it shouldn't move, but anyways, you can put sockets in there, whatever. Small dildos, carrots, whatever you want for snacks. Then this is also a tool bag that's also available. Lots of zippers, pliers, crimpers, all that kind of shit. They also have these waterproof, or water resistant, I should say. Nothing's ever waterproof. Voltmeters. These are little voltmeters. I'll put links to everything in the description. And then this was great. So Larry came up with this idea back in the mid to late 90s. Instead of making a positive terminal, a negative terminal for your battery, what you do is you make a generic terminal and then you put an insert in it. So, because if you notice on the batteries, the positive terminal is larger than the negative. So you really just need a little spacer for the negative terminal. So, and then I think they both come, yeah, they both come with a spacer in there. So you always have backup spacers. So those are available too. That one is called PBT S04. So recoil battery terminals. And they got like, there we go, a couple 0 gauges, 4 gauges. Good for you. I like ring terminals, but you know, whatever. If these are affordable, fucking use them. They're nice. The other one was these linear actuators. So it takes 12 volts. You can see the specs right there. 250 millimeter stroke, which is like an 8-inch stroke. And then they come with a little, where's the trigger? They come with a trigger, little switch, momentary trigger, and some hardware. I don't know what people use them for. You can use them for all kinds of stuff. I'm thinking use them for awning, and they have really long ones too. Again, I'll put links to those. I can get you better pricing than what's on the website and also what's on Amazon, so always hit me up. Again, just text me direct with your name and your shipping address, and then I'll put you in my phone, 602-312-6504. I'm getting ready to go have lunch and do a story time with the Audiobound catalogs. Love you guys. Bye.